Good morning, y'all. It is currently 11:19 a.m. I am about to go over to GB Pack so I can practice a little bit before I have to go rehearse with my accompanist for our bass studio recital. Also, yeah, I don't know why I'm breaking out and it's really annoying, but I seriously don't know why. I had no stress, but like annoying. I'm also packing up to go home. I have like stuff in here and then instead of like packing clothes, I'm just gonna bring my laundry home. I haven't done that in a while. I still am getting over being sick. I still have like a little bit of sore throat and a cough, so that's why I sound like this. But I am just getting everything ready so I can go downstairs and leave. And apparently it snowed last night, so I had to clear off my car too. I haven't been home in a while, and I'm really excited though. I'm only going home tonight through Sunday morning because I work on Sunday at 2, so I have to be up here anyway. Sunday though, we have our Super Bowl sisterhood, so I'm excited for that. A little update is now 12:53. I'm in a practice room. I'm like taking a little break from practicing right now because my stuff is over there, as you can see. My professor wasn't here, so I couldn't put my stuff in a locker yet, and I hope he's here today because I need to do that. But I took a break and now I kind of was like sitting here and decided to do this. So I'm telling myself, and I'm not, if it doesn't go through by 1 o'clock, I'm gonna exit out. So I'm trying to get the smallest mystery box and we'll see what happens. I don't know if I kind of want it to go through, I kind of don't, but we'll see what happens. If not, I'll just go buy a sweatshirt. Got out of the line at 12:58, so I guess it counted, and I've officially ordered the box. Watch out. What up? I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. Because this will be my first purchase from Jeffree Star, but I'm excited, but I'm like, don't know what to expect, so.
You can feel when a cue is working the audience. That's what
He's working on a MIDI keyboard. This happens every time.
I just want to know where my fellow book readers at.
Show me your prettiest book,
Your tiniest book.
a book you highly suggest, a book you're currently reading, and one of your favorite books.
It is currently 2:05 a.m. I got caught up in editing my glasses video, and I hope it does well because like I'm working so hard on it and I feel like it will be super helpful. Also, yes, this is what I look like when I go to bed. I have my acne cream on because it's needed. I don't know why I'm breaking out so much. It's honestly super aggravating because I had such clear skin when I was in Italy and over the summer, and now it's just breaking out so badly, and it's just really frustrating. Normally when I go to bed, I have a ton of blankets. Like I literally have 2 blankets, and I write a page in my journal, which I will show you in a second. This is what it looks like. This one I write in my journal like over here, so that was from the 25th. Then I would like go back. This was a year ago, so I like going back and like reading over it to see what I did a year ago. So, but then I finished this one, had to go on to this one. So I keep this one just so I can read what I read a year ago because it's fun reflecting. I will see you, I mean, if you guys got as today, but tomorrow, I don't know what we're doing. I know I need to go to Target, and I'm hopefully gonna go to American Eagle because I would really like to have more jeans like my really ripped pair, but like non-really ripped. I'm gonna go write in my journal and then go to bed.
Here I stand, I know I walked away, had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
It is currently 10:30 a.m. and I just kind of got up. I'm getting ready and packing up my stuff so I can go back up to college today because I work at 2 today until 6:30. So I get miss part of the Super Bowl, which I'm kind of sad about. I did all of my laundry, so that's all packed up in here. Got all my bags, and then I have this bag with all the like textbooks and everything. Thought I was gonna work on homework when I was here. Didn't. Whoopsies. I feel like I haven't gotten a lot of sleep lately. Because I would stay up until like 2 a.m. So I need to go to sleep early tonight, so I'll be prepared for my sightseeing test tomorrow. It is now 3:45. I have work until 6:30, so I'm going down to get some more water and then pick up some books that could be behind the desk. It's Monday now, and I didn't really vlog the rest of the day on Sunday after I got back from work. I got back, they were having the Super Bowl sisterhood at my house, at the sorority house. Had a really long day at work and I kind of wanted quiet, so I went and hung out with Lucas and we made dinner together and whatnot. But before I finish ending off the vlog, I got an influencer box, so I'm gonna open it for you guys while I'm here. I have to do this because my address is on the other side. Technically, you could just look at my address, it's not that hard, but I'm really struggling with this box here. Okay, so this is the Makeup Forever Vox box, Professional Paris Melt Velvet Skin. So they gave me the Matte Velvet Skin 24H Makeup Forever Foundation. I believe that's all, yeah, that's it. I hope it's the right shade because I have no clue. They gave me shade 24H. Okay, it seems like it could be the right color. I'll have to try it later, so stay tuned for a vlog where I try this. Hopefully it's the correct shade. But I hope you like this weekend in my life. I try to make it as entertaining as possible, especially my opening procedures at my workplace. And yeah, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you guys comment if you work, where do you work at? You don't have to be like specific, like I work at a library. I'm not gonna say which library, but like you can say I work in a retail store, I work at Victoria's Secret, because I used to work at Victoria's Secret if you didn't know. So comment that down below. Make sure you follow all of my social medias. I try to keep up to date mostly on them all. And subscribe to my channel. I would really love to grow my channel this year. That's a goal of mine, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Hit it.